1939 Watson Hornsby 5XR, owned by Philip and Kevin Thomas from London in Essex. This is a 1929 John Deere Model E, owned by Mr. Cliff Smith.
It's Russ and Hornsby, 7.5 horsepower, 1923. Owned the engine since 95.
And what's your name?
David Monk.
You're David, right, fine.
Newmarket.
Yeah.
Slow tension ignition. Engine. Petrol paraffin.
Have you done much work to it?
No, that's as it is, as we bought it. The only thing it has is a new fuel tank made in the last 2 years.
It's nice to see them in a sort of unrestored condition, you know,
I think it was restored a long time ago.
but sort of working clothes sort of thing. It's a 1920s Crossley. Originally drove a generator. Petrol paraffin engine. Here's a little collection from Mike Fitzgibbon of Essex. First of all, we have a Swan generating set. Driven by a Villiers engine. And down here we've got a Lee Howell pump. Belt driven from a Lister D. With a Leo Lion water pump at the far end there. The 1936 Jaeger, owned by Ricky Quemp. This is the main co-engine on Mr. Fuller. It's a 3 horsepower. Very tight condition, and I suspect that's Mr. Fuller sitting behind over there. It's a 1935 Ruston petrol paraffin, owned by Mr. Cook. And it's driving a Ruston water pump. This is a 1943 Wolseley WD. Just going to give it a refill at the moment.
Right, mate, we'll call that about right, I think. Thank you.
Here we've got a 1948 Stuart Turner R3M. Originally as a generator engine, now working at Stuart Turner feed pump. Ruston APR2. Rather nice little water pump. .1943 Lister A-type. speed change box. Short power hacksaw. 1929 nice small speed. Petrol engine. Driving a little corn grinder by the look of it. Weight?
It's 1927 apple top Haddenham type, 2 horsepower,
Have you had it for long?
probably about 30 years.
Oh right, for a good long time then.
That's a corn kibble, yes. It's actually grinding pig food at the moment. Just basically designed to split the corn rather than make it into flour or such.
Okay, just to crush it.
Yeah,
Lightly
it's a
crush
small
it.
animal feed.
Yeah.
I think that name Harris Underhill was the importers of it. It's actually made by a company called Fly.
Imported, so that's not from England then?
No, it's made in Canada.
Canada, right, okay.
1917.
All right.